Welcome back to 30 Days to Better Hearing. On day 19, we're tackling a topic that touches on both the innovative and the traditional aspects of using hearing aids, making the most of your telephone conversations. Whether you're connecting via the latest smartphone or relying on a landline, there are ways to ensure that your hearing aids become an asset rather than a challenge during phone calls. For many of you, you might already be enjoying the seamless connectivity options that link your devices directly to mobile phones. This technology is fantastic, allowing you to stream phone calls directly into your hearing aids, essentially turning them into wireless earpieces. If this feature has been set up for you, it can significantly enhance the clarity of your phone conversations, making them more enjoyable and less straining. For those who have Bluetooth hearing aids but haven't explored this option yet, I really highly recommend speaking to your audiologist about it. The convenience of having calls directly in your hearing aids, free from background noise, is a game changer. However, I understand that not everyone has Bluetooth hearing aids or uses mobile phones for their calls, and landlines remain an essential tool for many. Here's where a bit of technique and possibly some additional equipment can come into play. When using a landline with your hearing aids, the placement of the receiver is crucial. It's a common instinct to hold the receiver to our ear in the usual manner, but with hearing aids, this might not be the most effective position. Instead, try moving the receiver slightly to find where your hearing aid's microphones are located, usually behind the ear or at the top of the ear. Placing the receiver close to these microphones can significantly improve how well you hear the caller. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, landline calls can still pose a challenge. This is where considering an amplified telephone or one that's specifically designed to work with hearing aids can make a big difference. These specialised phones boost the sound, making it easier for you to hear, and they often come with other features that help. Swapping out your traditional landline for one of these models could enhance your ability to communicate over the phone drastically. If you're unsure where to start looking for such a phone, your audiologist can point you in the right direction. They might even have specific models that they recommend that work best with your hearing aids. Using the telephone with hearing aids doesn't have to be a source of frustration. With the right setup, strategy, and sometimes a bit of new technology, you can enjoy clear and easy conversations with friends, family, and colleagues. If you're encountering difficulties or have questions about connecting your hearing aids to your phone, don't hesitate to reach out to your audiologist. They're there to help you navigate these challenges and make the most of your hearing aids. Thank you again for joining me today. See you tomorrow for day 20.